In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Alibaba using your debit card. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, navigating payment options on international platforms can sometimes be a bit daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to help you walk through the process step by step so you can shop with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to open a web browser and head on over to Alibaba.com. This is your one-stop shop for all sorts of products sourced from suppliers all around the world. Once you're on the site, take some time to browse through the products and add your desired items to your shopping cart. It's easy to do, and you can add multiple items if you wish. When you're ready to finalize your shop, locate the shopping cart icon. Typically, it's found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it, and you will be directed to a page where you can see all the items you've added. Now take a moment to carefully review your order. Double check each item to ensure you have the correct quantity, color, and specifications. It's always a good idea to verify your order details to avoid any inconvenience later on. If everything looks good, you can proceed to the next step. You'll next want to click on the checkout button. This is an important step in the purchasing process as it takes you to the payment page. It's akin to leaving the store counter with your basket ready for billing. Once you're on the payment page, look for the option that says Pay with Card or something similar. Now, since we are focusing on using a debit card, ensure that you select that option amongst any others available. This next step is crucial. Verify the card details. If you've previously saved card information on Alibaba, make sure you're using the correct card for this transaction. Double check the card number and expiration date to avoid any hitches with your payment. Finally, once everything is set and you've confirmed the details, click on Confirm. You might need to wait a few moments while the transaction processes. Alibaba will typically send you an email confirmation, which signals that your purchase is complete. And there you have it. A simple and smooth way to complete your payment on Alibaba using your debit card. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues or have questions, Alibaba's customer service is a great resource. I hope this guide makes your shopping experience enjoyable and hassle-free. Keep safe and happy shopping.